Respectable Petrov Haber team. In today's site visit, the 10th slab of the P054 Haber School slab for the first floor slab and beam of G+1 IT block has been finally casted under the supervision of the district engineer, where 380 cement bags has been consumed, including 650 cubic feet fine aggregates, at which the staircase is casted monolithically with the slab of the IT block, and 1350 cubic feet quartz aggregate has been consumed during the process. The slab commenced on morning 7 am and concluded on at afternoon 12 pm, at which the vibrator is being fully used. For compaction and consolidation of the concrete, cylinders are filled as per ASTM codes and guideline, and the curing process will be started for 7 working calendar days. Subsequently, the other finishing activities will be parallel and progress. Thank you so much for watching this progress video.